Welcome to the Shasta College Physical Therapist Assistant Program. The PTA program is housed in the Downtown Health Sciences campus, along with a number of other health science programs, such as our Associate's degree in Nursing, Licensed Vocational Nursing, Associates in Dental Hygiene, Associates in Health Information Technology, Medical Assisting, Certified Nurse Assistant, and our Baccalaureate degree in Health Information Management. When entering the Health Science campus, all students, guests, and visitors must enter through our north entrance, which is staffed by our friendly campus safety officers. At this entrance, COVID testing, health and safety screening, and any other screenings are performed by our CSOs, or students, guests, and visitors are directed to the appropriate parties. The Physical Therapist Assistant Program's primary laboratory classrooms are located here on the first floor. Room 8109 is our gait and balance laboratory. This space is dedicated to the Physical Therapist Assistant Program, and students have access to this space at all times when the building is open. Here we have our treadmill, parallel bars, low treatment table, 1 treatment plinth, and 3 high-low tables. There are several step platforms, bolsters, and assistive devices. Our portable exercise rack with TheraBand, weight bars, dumbbell weights, and a cable system can be utilized in either laboratory as appropriate. Our web slide provides further application for TheraBand and resistance tubing. The posture grid provides reference for posture assessment. The Physical Therapist Assistant Program has multiple modality equipment that's housed in this room, but can be moved to either lab as necessary. So we have 6 Dynatronics Solaris units, complete with multiple electrical stimulation modalities, ultrasound, infrared light either in probe or light pad capability, as well as thermostim in one of the units. We also have multiple portable devices, including our interferential units, NMES units, TENS units, MyoTrack biofeedback units, and iontophoresis. Each laboratory room has an adequate supply of stethoscopes, blood pressure cuffs, goniometers, measuring tapes, reflex hammers, and gait belts. While this lab does not have a sink in the room, it is in near proximity to the bathrooms just across the hall. The bathrooms provide adequate space for students to change into appropriate attire for laboratory activities, wash hands, and take breaks as necessary. Room 8114 is our primary physical therapist assistance lab. We share this space with the medical assisting program, and we have access to this lab on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. This room provides ample space for the full cohort of students to be instructed and practice in manual skills and interventions, especially if we move tables across the hall from 8109, so everybody has room to practice. In this room, we have multiple plinth tables, 2 high-low tables, and 1 mechanical traction table. There are also multiple assistive devices, wheelchairs, balance equipment, and exercise balls. The PTA program has several anatomical models available for students to utilize for study, as well as 2 full-size skeletons. The PTA program also has a paraffin unit, upper and lower extremity volume meters, stump wrapping mannequins, and a wide array of bandages, tape, personal protective equipment, and linens. 8114 is equipped with 2 full sinks where students are assessed for hand washing and infection control during semester 1. As we make our way to the second floor, we will see the large student break room complete with full kitchen setup and ample tables and space for students to rest, eat, and study. Room 8217 is a nursing program laboratory that is shared with the Physical Therapist Assistant Program. This lab is utilized for inpatient training skills such as transfer training, bed mobility, positioning and draping, and inpatient simulations such as ICU and other patient care cases. The hospital beds in 8217 are fully functioning hospital beds for the patients to practice with the equipment, and we also have access to supplies and equipment that help us simulate IVs, Foley catheters, and other lines and tubes and equipment that the students will see in the inpatient setting. This lab has sinks for hand washing, access to full PPE, and all necessary linens. Just outside room 8217 are another set of bathrooms appropriate for students to change into lab attire, wash hands, and take breaks as necessary. The Learning Resource Center provides students with meeting or study space and access to multiple computers where they can study, complete and submit online assignments, or even take proctored exams if necessary. The part-time faculty office is located at the back of the Learning Resource Center and provides part-time faculty a space to meet with students, utilize campus computers, and access a printer. In the upstairs rotunda, there is more student space for studying, meeting, and breaks. There is another student break room with vending machines and a faculty-stocked food pantry for students to utilize at any time and for any need. The Health Sciences Office houses the full-time faculty offices, administrative assistants, a full-time health sciences counselor, and health sciences administration. There is a full conference room available for faculty meetings or interviews, student meetings, and any other necessary meetings. Program Director Marcy Martinez has a private office that provides appropriate space for student meetings or counseling, fully locking file cabinets for student information, and adequate resources and equipment necessary for all program-required work activities. The shared hallways and staff break room with all health sciences program faculty provides an excellent opportunity for interprofessional communication and collaboration. Director of Clinical Education Jeff McCormick also has a private office for student meetings and counseling, with fully locking file cabinets for student information and adequate space and equipment for all program-required work activities. At the main campus, 5 miles from the downtown Health Sciences campus, students have full access to all Shasta College services. Student services available on the main campus include admissions and records, our student success facilitators, financial aid, counseling, and transfer center. Just outside the admission and records building, we pass by our new Veterans Center, which provides students who have served in the armed forces a quiet place to meet, study, gain access to computers, and find counselors dedicated to their needs. Our Student Health Center, located just across the quad, houses multiple resources, including our cafeteria, Student Health Center, EOPS and PACE, Culinary Program, Umoja, and Career Center. Exiting the Student Center, we'll find the Shasta College bookstore with easy access to and from our north parking lot. The PTA program has access to the gymnasium and weight room facilities just across the breezeway from the bookstore, as well as the pool for course content that would involve cardiovascular exercise, resistance training, and aquatic therapy in semester 2 of the program. The facilities include full dressing rooms and showers for students. Totaling around 337 acres, the main Reading campus offers a wealth of services and amenities for students to take advantage of to make their college experience one of the pinnacle moments of their educational journey. Students especially enjoy our new Starbucks, centrally located so they can pick up a quick coffee on their way to class. Our Redwood Grove in the middle of campus offers a place for quiet walks and outdoor study sessions. And our Tutoring and Learning Center provides students with help in math, writing, and the sciences. Students can access tutoring help both on the main campus and online. We're proud of our campuses, our faculty and staff, and the communities that we are a part of. Shasta College continues to be a leader in higher education by providing our students with the best resources, instruction, and environment needed for their success in life. I hope you found this tour to be both informative and comprehensive in demonstrating the dedication that Shasta College has to the success of the PTA program. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me at any time. Thank you.